Jennifer. I am studying in UKG. My school name is Salamanas High School in Surat City.
Jnanapitha Award winner from Karnataka.
Jnanapitha Award winner from Karnataka. Kuvepu, Dala Vendle, Shivaram Kana, Masti Venkatesh Ayanka, V.K. Gokar, U.R. Anantamurthy, Girish Kana, Chandrasekhara Kamraj.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu. Kadakali Kerala. Kathak Uttar Pradesh. Manipuri Manipur. Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh. Odissi Odisha. Satraya Assam. Matki dance Madhya Pradesh. Dandiya Gujarat. Yakshagana Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India, Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Namadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilabharani, Vaigat, Yamuna.
National festivals.
National festivals, January 26, Republic Day, August 15, Independence Day, September 5th, Teachers Day, October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, November 14th, Children's Day.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India, Bomatesha Temple, Karnataka, Hampi Temple, Karnataka, Golden Temple, Punjab, Kajula Temple, Madhya Pradesh, Shan Temple, Odisha, Nalanda University, Bihar, Taj Mahal, Agra.
Planets of solar system.
Planets of solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas, Lukveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Upanishad.
Upanishad, Ishavasya Upanishad, Kena Upanishad, Katta Upanishad, Mandukya Upanishad, Taittiriya Upanishad.
Dasavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatara of Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parshurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Puranas.
Puranas, Matsya Purana, Bhagavat Purana, Shiva Purana, Bhavishya Purana, Kurma Purana, Varaha Purana, Agni Purana, Linga Purana, Padma Purana, Garuda Purana, Skanda Purana.
Epics of India.
Epics of India, Ramayana, Mahabharata.
Seven continents of world.
Seven continents of the world: Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
Five oceans of the world: Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India: Jawaharlal Nehru, Ujjalananda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Morarji Desai, Saddam Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pradhan Singh, Chandrasekhar, P.V. Narasimhan, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Deve Gowda, Hinda Kumar Gujula, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Neighboring countries of India.
Neighboring countries of India: Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Myanmar, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Pakistan.
Neighboring state of Karnataka.
Neighboring state of Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Goa, Telangana, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Telangana.
Bharat Ratna Award winner from India.
Bharat Ratna Award winner from Karnataka, India: C. Raj Gopalachari, C.V.
Indian festivals.
Indian festival Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Maharam, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighter of India.
Women freedom fighters of India, Durga Mai Deshmukh, Anafa Fari, Sujaita Tipalini, Kittulani Channamma, Rani Lakshmibai, Sarojini Naidu, Kastuba Gandhi, Vasanti Devi, Megha Majilat Mahal.
7 colors in rainbow.
7 colors in rainbow, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red.
Religions of India.
Religions of India, Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Jainism, Parsism.
Official languages of India.
Official languages of India, Assamese, Bengalis, Urdu, Dogri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Most famous temple in India. Famous temple in India.
Famous temple in India. Meenakshi Temple, Tamil Nadu. Siddhivina Temple, Maharashtra. Tirupati Temple, Andhra Pradesh. Jagannath Temple, Odisha. Somnath Temple, Gujarat. Akshardham, Delhi. Mahabuji Temple, Bihar. Kamakati Temple, Assam. Kashishna Temple, Uttar Pradesh. Vaishno Devi Temple, Punjab.
District in Karnataka.
District in Karnataka, Bagalkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru, Bengaluru Urban, Belagavi, Chamarajanagar, Chikmagalur, Chikbalapur, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Davanagere, Daruva, Dadak, Hasan, Haveli, Kalaburgi, Kodugu, Kolar, Kappala, Mandya, Mysore, Ramnagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Tumkur, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijaypura, Yadgiri.
Indian monuments.
Indian monuments, Taj Mahal, Agra, Gate of India, Maharashtra, India Gate, New Delhi, Golden Temple, Punjab, Ava Mahal, Rajasthan, Charminar, Hyderabad, Victoria Memorial, West Bengal, Amer Fort, Rajasthan, Lotus Temple, New Delhi, Uttar Minar, New Delhi, Chansi Tomb, Madhya Pradesh, Jama Masjid, Platapur Sikri, Agra, MP Port, Karnataka, Goya Port, Madhya Pradesh, Jama Masjid, New Delhi, Jantar Mantar, Jaipur, Kamaka Temple, Assam, Kashishna Temple, Uttar Pradesh.
Top 10 scientists of India.
Top 10 scientists of India. APJ Abdul Satyanarayana Bose, Meghnad Saha, Kapila Chandra Rai, Salim Ali, Homi J. Baba, Jagdish Chandra Bose, Ramanujan, C.V. Raman, Subramanya Chandrasekhar.
Hindu lunar months.
Hindu Nunaman, Chaitra, Vaishakha, Desha, Ashada, Sharmana, Bhadravata, Asharija, Kartika, Margashira, Pusha, Maga, Falguna.
Top 10 most peaceful country of the world.
Top 10 peaceful countries of world: Canada, Czech Republic, Iceland, Switzerland, Austria, Slovenia, Portugal, Denmark, New Zealand, Iceland.
Kings of Karnataka.
Kings of Karnataka, Pulkeshi, Vishnudevalaya, Vishnuvardhana, Amoga Varsha, Matakali Nayaka, Kittu Rani Channamma, Rani Lakshmi, Akka Bukka, Jai Chamraj Vadaya, Kempe Gowda.
Union territories.
Union Territories, Andaman Nicobar, Dadra
country and capital.
Country and capitals. India, New Delhi, Russia, Moscow, China, Beijing, Pakistan, Islamabad, Afghanistan, Kabul, Nepal, Kathmandu, Bhutan, Thimphu, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, USA, Washington, United Kingdom, London, Canada, Ottawa, France, Paris, Italy, Rome, Germany, Berlin, International, Jakarta, Bangladesh, Dhaka, Japan, Tokyo, International, Kenya, Nairobi, Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur, Thailand, Bangkok, Qatar, Doha.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India: right to equality, right to freedom, right to economic representation, right to freedom of religion, culture and education, right to constitution and marriage.
Father of nation.
Father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi.
National anthem.
Jana Gana Mana.
National song.
Vande Mataram.
National emblem.
Lion capitals.
National flag.
Fly color flag.
National flower.
Lotus.
National animal.
Tiger.
National sea animal.
Dolphin.
National bird.
Peacock.
National fruit.
Mango.
National language.
Hindi.
National calendar.
Saka calendar.
National book.
Bhagavad Gita.
National game.
Hockey.
National tree.
Banyan tree.
National river.
Ganga.
National vegetable.
Indian pumpkin.
National reptile.
Indian cobra.